Okay, so you have panel slippages on the edge banders, panel saws, and the grippers. This is in a double antennator, and yeah, like I said, edge banders. What else can you? Anything that's got a feed through. You got this rubber track. Sanders, wide belt sanders, same thing. This rubber gets oxidized and gets slick. So what you want to do is go in here and you want to surface off this oxidation. And I do it with a chemical. This one is xylene, and that just happens to be what the customer has. So what you're going to do is you're going to raise your pressure beam up, make sure the machine is locked out and everything is safe. And then I put a tick mark on the side of this just to show where I start at, so as we advance the chain that we know where we started and where we ended. And let me pass the camera off here to a colleague, and then I'll get this cleaned up. So what we're going to do, we are going to just put a little bit on this and scrub it up. Depending on what your chemical is, if it's an acetone or a lacquer thinner, you don't want to let the chemical set on the rubber, and it will break the rubber down if it sets for too long. So you don't want to let it puddle or anything. So what happens on this is this top layer of your rubber will get oxidized, and as it sets, it will cure out, for lack of better words, and it gets harder and harder and harder down to the surface. Once it gets to a certain point, you can't reactivate it. So as far as the maintenance side of it, what you do is you just take your solvent, you run your solvent across it, and it's noticeable almost immediately. And what you're doing is you're just basically melting the top surface. Okay, so try that and see if you can help with some of your panel slippage, and go make a million. Have a great day.